How to make canned mackerel miso soup, Japan's latest health craze. That's something I'm going to talk about today, so stick around. Hi, my name is Sachiaki Takamiya. I am the author of the Ikigai Diet and Ikigai Bio-Hacking. Okay, so in the last video, I shared with you about canned mackerel miso soup and how it is a new health trend in Japan. The health benefit is incredible. The combined health benefit of miso and mackerel is incredible. Yeah. For details, please watch my video. It's called Insane Health Benefit of Canned Mackerel Miso Soup. Right. Alright. So today I will share with you how to make this miso soup. Right. Now, isn't that just putting mackerel into the miso soup? Yeah, in some way it is, but it's not as simple as that. Yeah, because the problem of the canned mackerel miso soup is that as far as taste is concerned, it's not necessarily good. I mean, for the health benefit, it's fantastic. That's why it is so popular, but the taste, you need a little trick, yeah? And then the trick is, so I told you that you can use the liquid of the canned mackerel. So I'll show you. This is my homemade canned mackerel. So I usually make canned mackerel myself. I don't use store-bought canned mackerel, yeah? I usually make my own. How to make one, please watch my other video. It's called No More Store-Bought. Make your own canned mackerel. Yeah, right. So you have this, and then you have the liquid. Yeah, and usually in the last video I kind of mixed them together, but I separated today. Yeah, and then you can use this liquid into the soup. You just put this into the soup. Yeah, so that's one benefit of this miso soup is you can use the liquid of the canned mackerel, which is very nutritious, yeah, because omega-3 fatty acid and other nutrients from mackerel are soaked into the soup, right? However, it is little smelly. I mean, I got rid of the smell when I made this canned mackerel first. Still, it's a little kind of mackerel, smell, which for some people is not really good with miso soup. Yeah, therefore you need to add flavor, and in my case I use bonito flakes. Yeah, I need the bonito flakes like that. Yeah, and then that's a regular dashi for miso soup, like a broth for miso soup. With the canned mackerel one, in some way you don't need to add dashi because the soup of canned mackerel itself with the dashi. Yeah, but because of the smell, yeah, by adding this, it kind of transforms the flavor a little bit. It's more like a regular miso soup taste. Yeah. Okay, so to make one, you can use the homemade mackerel or canned mackerel like that. Either way is okay. Yeah, right. Okay, so first I'll show you the ingredients. Yeah, so you want to use a lot of vegetables, yeah, because make it nutritious rich, you can use all kind of vegetables. For example, you can use carrots and then some daikon radish, yeah, and broccolis. Broccolis are very good to put in the miso soup because when you boil broccoli, all the nutrient, yeah, kind of goes out of the vegetable. But if you drink the soup, then you will not lose the nutrient, yeah? So it's good to put broccoli in miso soup. And then that Japanese mustard spinach, yeah? And then nameko mushroom, yeah? So you can put mushroom in the miso soup, that is great, yeah? However, nameko is one of my favorite mushrooms to put into miso soup because it is slimy, a bit like natto is slimy, and it tastes wonderful, yeah? But if you don't like slimy taste, then put other mushroom, yeah? Any mushroom is okay. And also you need a drainer like this, and you need, things like that to hold the mackerel, and then also a ladle, to put the miso in. And then extra water, and of course you need miso. All right, so first, okay, now I'm gonna change the camera setting. Okay, first, so I put the liquid from canned mackerel, into the pan, and then turned gas on, and then I add some water here. Oh, by the way, you need some wakame too, You need to soak wakame first, maybe 20 minutes before you start making miso soup. And then you wait until the water comes to boil. Okay, now the water is boiled, so I'm gonna put bonito flakes. So first, I put bonito flakes into this drainer. Then you put the drainer, in the pan, Okay, so after 1 minute, you can take this out. Then you can put some hard vegetables such as, daikon, radish, and carrots. And then the stem of broccoli, the hard part of broccoli. And you cook them for a while. You can put the lid on if you like. When I make regular miso soup, I usually put hard vegetable in the beginning, while boiling the water. So I, pour water into the pan, then I put, daikon, carrots, and other hard vegetables with the water, and then I turn the gas on, and then start boiling the water, But today I just wanted to show you, how to, use the bonito flakes, as dashi. So, it was kind of easier to see if there aren't other vegetables inside the pan. When the hard vegetables are cooked, you can add other vegetables such as broccoli and hard part of Japanese mustard spinach. And then a little after, you can put tofu. So I did, maybe I forgot to mention the tofu, but I'm using tofu in this miso soup too, to add some more protein. Yeah, so this is a very protein-rich dish, having both tofu and mackerel. You might turn up the gas a bit now and then put the lid on again. Then you can add the rest of the Japanese mustard spinach and nameko mushrooms. Then you can add wakame, and then at the end add some mackerel. And then you can turn the gas off, then put some miso. Yeah, you scrape miso like that. And then slowly mix it with the liquid, and using chopsticks you stir the miso into the soup. Little by little, yeah, you add some liquid and then you stir the miso to kind of melt the miso. And then, yeah, add more liquid and stir and mix the miso with the liquid slowly, very slowly. And then the idea is you want to turn the gas off before putting miso. Yeah, you don't want to boil miso. That's the idea. All right, so that's it, yeah? The miso soup is ready now, yeah? Right, okay. And then you can I just used the one, that I was putting wakame inside, and then you just serve the soup into a miso soup bowl. So that is canned mackerel miso soup. Alright, so that is canned mackerel miso soup, yeah? I'll try it. Good. Yeah, flavor isn't bad, yeah, because I mixed with bonito flake. So yeah, tastes good. And mackerel is good too. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Again, my name is Sachiaki Takamiya, the author of the Ikigai Diet and Ikigai Bio-Hacking. If you like this video, please give me your thumb up and subscribe to my channel, and please leave your comment. Yeah, have you ever tried making canned mackerel miso soup? Thank you. Well, I will see you in the next video. Live with your Ikigai!